I try?
Well, it's not going to make a difference. It still needs some new batteries. But you can try. What you playing with, Aubrey?
Every of these.
You have those? What story are you reading, Colton?
Draw.
You want me to draw? What do you want me to draw? Why don't you draw?
This one.
Here, you draw.
This one.
Well, you try, and then I'll try.
Yeah.
Deal? You try, and then I'll try.
This one. Good. Color.
Aubrey, you think you can carry all those books?
One. I'll draw a train for you. I'll draw a train.
Excuse me.
Maybe I showed the